Hello and welcome to Jewellery Rescue. If you're new here, I'm Kat and I'm a girl on a mission to rescue and recycle the world's unwanted jewellery. Different one for you today. We are going to open this little box that I picked up in the charity shop for £2. It looks like it's got some Christmas charms in, and it's time for me to start making some Christmas charms for my fairs and my shops. So let's see what we've got inside. So first of all, we've got some cord. It's like that sort of fishing wire type cord. Not quite sure what I'll use that for, but I will put it aside because I'm sure a project will come up. And we've got a whole bag of really cute charms. So I'm going to see if I can pair those up and see if we can make some earrings. If not, we'll do some asymmetric earrings, and I'll probably do some phone charms as well. Ah, that's good. We've got some jump rings too, so that will help me hang them. And 2 bags of pony beads, well, pony type beads. So I can make some stretchy bracelets for the kids out of those as well. I'm going to do a fair in November where I'm taking loads of pocket money type bits, so stretchy bracelets and the charms will be perfect for that. Okay. So it's a little box today, but I thought that you might like to come and make some jewellery with me, and we'll see what we can create. Let's zoom in a little bit there. Wow, that is a lot of charms. This was amazing for £2. So say I'm going to sell a pair of earrings for, I don't know, £7 or £8 with gold-plated hooks on. That's a pretty good return. Look how cute that one is. Sweet. I'm not seeing any matches just yet though. Shout if you spot one. Maybe we're going to have to do some mix, little pick and mix type earrings. I love him. Oh, look at that one. So sweet. Similar but not the same. This one's flat and this one's raised. Lots of Santas. That's a nice Christmas tree. So could make some necklaces maybe as well for the kiddos. These will be nice little stocking fillers or pocket money treats. Another gingerbread man there. I thought we had a match then. Not quite the same, but they could make a pair and pop those together. So what are we going to do? Maybe a Santa and a candy cane. They're about the same size, aren't they? Cute little present. Have we had that Santa? Or maybe I just moved it. Okay. Oh, I thought we'd got one there. Okay, I'm going to do some pairing up and then we will make some earrings. Haha, we have a match. Last. And another one. We're on a roll now. Similar. This is like one of those spot the difference games. My kids would be really good at this. Ah, there's another match. Right, we're rolling now. There's another match there. Cute. Love these. So I used to buy myself a pair of Christmas earrings every single year, and I have quite a collection of them. Just cheapy ones, you know, not expensive ones. But that was a big part of my traditions. And then when I started looking into sustainable fashion and getting into that, I decided it wasn't sustainable to keep buying new earrings every year, so I just picked them up if I saw second-hand ones in the charity shops. And now, of course, I make my own. What I tend to do is list up some for sale in my Etsy shop, and then I'll choose a pair from what hasn't sold before Christmas. Some people, I'm sure, have one pair of Christmas earrings. Some people don't have any. I like to wear a different pair throughout December. And I might start in November because I do have quite a lot. Let me know in the comments if you have a favourite pair of Christmas earrings. There we go. That's a fun match, isn't it? I can't believe we're already talking about Christmas. I feel like we've had such hot weather in the last week here in the UK. It's been 23 degrees. And now suddenly we've gone into this really hideous weather today. It's absolutely pouring down outside. Feels like we've gone into autumn overnight. Thought we had a match for that one. There we go. I like to think that at home you're shouting at the screen because you can see matches that I can't see. He's cute. He's got a little sparkle look in his hat. Perhaps he could go with this one. Yeah, that'd be cute. B. That's random, isn't it? This one is gorgeous. I think that one might make a nice necklace. It's sort of got the edge for me over the others. Pop that to one side. Perhaps that Christmas tree. Okay, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pairs that I've matched up already. Oh, that one's nice too, look. I think those two will go nicely together. That's 13. We can't make 13. Ah, how about these guys? Christmas. Oh, I thought it was like a duck. It looks like a duck tail, but it's the scarf, isn't it? I think it's a snowman, but it does look like a duck. Is that just me? Tell me in the comments if you agree with me. Okay, I think that I'm there. These four are my favourite ones, and I think that those will be popular with the kiddies for necklaces, so I'm going to pop those aside for necklaces. And then all of these ones here are going to be phone charms or zipper charms, and then the rest of them, just zoom out a little bit so you can see them all, will be paired up as earrings. So there's loads for me to work with there. Okay, I'm going to get cracking and then I'll be back to show you. So here we go. I have made 41 pairs of earrings, 20 charms and 4 pendants. Plus I still have the plastic beads, so I'm going to make some stretches out of those another time. I found the charms are really nice to work with. They're actually really lovely quality. And they've made some really nice earrings. So I'm looking forward to getting those all packaged up. Some will go on Etsy, some will go into my retail stores, and some will be for the Christmas fair that I'm going to do next month. The little charms are really cute as well. These can go onto your phone or your pencil case, school bag, and so on. Those will just be a couple of pounds. Again, these ones will just go into the shops or the fairs. And then I've made 4 pendants. I've only got 1 chain in my stash at the moment. This was a chain that came out of my last unboxing that was broken, and I've fixed it. So I need to go through and see if I've got some more chains for the other ones. But these ones are all ready with a little bail to go onto new chains. And there we go. I've managed to find quite a lot of pairs in the end. That was a particularly nice one. Some of them are mismatched, sort of pick and mix. I've managed to match them up quite nicely, I think. So yeah, let me know what you think. I think that was a pretty good box for £2, and it's been a fun afternoon making all of those. I shall see you in the next video. Bye.